Tired of cluttered closets and overflowing drawers? Meet your new organization solution, 90L large storage bags. Imagine a bedroom where everything has its place. Picture your closet, neat, spacious, and stress-free. No more searching for missing blankets or seasonal clothes. Perfect for families, apartment dwellers, and home organizers. Each bag holds up to 90 liters, seriously spacious. Store comforters, bed sheets, pillows, and even toys. Foldable design means easy storage when not in use. Maximize every inch of your closet or underbed space. Reinforced handles make carrying effortless, even when full. Move heavy bedding or clothing without worry. Durable fabric stands up to daily use and heavy loads. Clear windows let you see contents at a glance. No more guessing what's inside each bag. Sturdy zippers keep dust and moisture out. Protect your clothes and linens from dirt and pests. Stackable design keeps everything organized and accessible. Transform chaotic closets into organized sanctuaries. Great for seasonal swaps, store winter gear in summer. Ideal for moving, traveling, or decluttering any room. Lightweight yet tough, easy to lift, carry, and stack. Neutral gray color fits any home decor style. 6-pack set covers all your storage needs. Use one for bedding, another for off-season clothes. Keep kids' toys tidy and out of sight. Organize guest linens for quick, easy access. Upgrade from cardboard boxes to durable, elegant bins. Say goodbye to cluttered floors and messy shelves. Perfect for dorm rooms, apartments, and family homes. Handles reinforced for extra strength, no ripping or tearing. Move full bags with confidence and ease. See-through windows save time. Find what you need fast. Zip it shut for dust-proof, secure storage. Fold flat when empty. Store almost anywhere. Great for small spaces. Maximize every inch. Declutter bedrooms, closets, laundry rooms, and more. Organize by category: bedding, clothes, toys, or linens. No tools or assembly required, just fill and zip. High-quality Oxford cloth resists wear and tear. Upgrade your storage game with a professional touch. Transform your space. Make room for what matters. Keep your home tidy, organized, and stress-free. Perfect for busy families and minimalist lifestyles. Store bulky items without sacrificing precious space. Great for storing holiday decorations and seasonal items. Easy to clean, just wipe with a damp cloth. No more plastic bins or unsightly storage boxes. Modern, sleek design complements any room. Amazon Prime eligible. Fast, free delivery to your door. Order today and start organizing tomorrow. Experience the upgraded convenience of foldable storage. Save time, save space, reduce stress. A must-have for anyone who loves a tidy home. Impress guests with your organized, clutter-free space. Invest in quality storage that lasts for years. No more sagging bags or broken handles. Designed for real-life, everyday use. Handles heavy loads, comforters, blankets, winter coats. Great for storing baby clothes and keepsakes. Perfect for college students heading to dorms. Create more space without expensive renovations. Enjoy a calm, organized home every day. Make cleaning up quick and easy for the whole family. Store out-of-season clothes until you need them. Protect your favorite items from dust and damage. Upgrade your storage, upgrade your lifestyle. Ready to transform your home? Click the link below to order your 6-pack now. Start your journey to a clutter-free life today. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.